In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hook up a retro looking phone to an iPad and use this phone recording the audio with the mic in the phone for your video for your photo booth. This is a game changer. Shout out to my friend Rex for showing me this. And I'm showing you guys not just the phone setup, but also look at this mount. This is also off Amazon. So if you guys are watching this on YouTube, go to the description of this video. You'll see the link to this magnet holder here for the phone, and then also for the phone, and also for the hub. But we'll talk about that later. But YouTube, it's in the description. My TikTok family, go to YouTube. Hustle with Drew on YouTube, go to the video. So now really quick, let's take the iPad out. I'm gonna just show you what connections you need and how we hook it up. So I'm gonna take the iPad out and show you step by step how to basically set this up. All right, I'm gonna try to make this as simple as possible. We have everything here that we need. Starting off with your iPad, of course, and we have LumaBooth as the software. We have the retro phone, which includes the phone. You can get it in different colors, but I love the white, our booth is white. And it also comes with this little adapter here that is a Type-C to the headphone jack, because it comes with this output. So boom, you connect it like that. And then this is Type-C. We also have here a hub. Very important. This is what we're going to be using to put into the iPad to allow us to connect the microphone, but also allow us to charge our iPad at the same time. And then right here, this is optional, but I think it's worth every penny. It is a magnet with a little tray thing here. I don't know what you call it, like a hook. This is huge here, look. This is a magnet that has a hook on it. This magnet actually comes off like this. You can, if you have the Deluxe Duo or the DigiBooth, you can actually put the magnet onto the booth, and the phone can basically just go over it like that. So check it out. So you can sit here like this, or if you want, it can sit just like that. So the first step of the setup is to take your hub, right? I'm gonna assume you all want to make sure your iPad is being charged. If you don't care about charging your iPad, then you don't need this, right? You could actually just take the cable from, the adapter, the Type-C to the phone, and then you can plug it straight in. But then you're not gonna be able to charge your iPad, which to me, I think that's a problem. So get the hub, I think it's worth it. Then you plug it into the iPad, just like so. So Type-C. If your iPad takes Type-C, you're gonna notice that the hub has two sections for this Type-C. There's one that has a charging option on it. That's where you're gonna plug your iPad into power. So whatever cable you use for your iPad, if it's Type-C, it goes into here. But then for the phone, you take the other Type-C and you plug it into the other slot. And now you're pretty much set. This will work. It's gonna, it's gonna record here. It all goes through the hub. You can even run the power, but it's a super simple, easy setup. So really quick, let's go ahead and just show you guys what this sounds like. So let's do the video. And as soon as it starts recording, we're gonna talk. Hey, this is Drew using the microphone here. Absolutely game changer. So I'm gonna now play that video. This is what it sounds like using the mic. Hey, this is Drew using the microphone here. Absolutely game changer. How much better is this? By the way, I want to mention, when it plays back the video recording, since you have this plugged in, you will also hear the audio that is recorded through the top part. So just like a phone, you talk into it, then you can hear on the top part, which I think is another really cool feature, because usually if it's playing off the iPad, people are going to have to put their ear to it to hear it during the playback. So let's see. Hey, Drew here. Thank you guys for hiring me. But if they're using this, it's on their head, they can hear it back here and really hear themselves. And maybe, maybe they said something they didn't like the way it sounded. They're gonna hear it better here, and they can redo the video. So I think that is a huge, another huge plus for using this thing here. So when it's all said and done, I think that this is a good purchase to make, whether or not you think it records better, but like just having this adds a lot of value, just from the prop, just the aesthetics of it. I also do think this will record better audio when it's in a noisy environment. It's kind of quiet in here. Only thing I have going on is the AC. But I really know that the microphone from the iPad struggles when it's loud, when it's really loud. And I've seen this thing in action, and it does pretty good. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. It's a cheap item. But for what we're using it for, I think it's a really big improvement. So I think this is a great addition to any photo booth owner offering a digital photo booth. You can really now justify charging extra for the video feature. So I'm actually planning on doubling my rental price when it comes to the video, boomerang, and GIF feature. We normally charge $75 to add that on. I'm gonna double it now. So now if you want boomerang, GIF, and video, it'll be $150, but it will also include the phone. You guys, these things are like super cheap on Amazon. I don't remember the exact price, I'll like overlay it right here, but like, I don't think we spent more than like 50 bucks on adding this. And I think it's a game changer, the magnets and all that. But to end the video, I'm gonna do the outro on LumaBooth using the phone. Might as well, right? So let's go ahead and get this outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure if you wanna get these items for this phone and all the other stuff I showed you guys, it's in the description of this video on YouTube. Also, if you wanna get started in the photo booth business, go to photobooth101.com, get your equipment, we got you covered. Peace.